So let's start with my question for you, Mr. Reynolds.
All
And
right.
it's, it has to do with your particular law office here in Macon. Why did you choose to build a courtroom inside of your law office?
Well, that's a good question, Morgan.
Thank you.
Our courtroom sits here because we like to occasionally do focus groups and mock trials on any case we've got where there's a difficult question of either liability or damages, that is, the amount of money that a particular case is worth. We actually go out and into the community, put up signs asking if anybody would, like say in a mall, we have to usually get their permission. We set up a table and ask if anybody would like to take part in a jury research project. They then, if they do, and we usually pay, I think it's $20 an hour, they fill out a questionnaire. And so then we have some biographical information on each one. Then those forms are brought back here. We send them out to the people who have been selected. They can come in then to our office and we bring them into the courtroom. Then we explain to them that they're not to know whether we have an interest in the case, or if we do, which side of the case we're on, that it may be that we're only answering a question for another firm or for the court. And then we actually try the case in our courtroom, in our building. And we get some interesting responses. We get a lot of interesting questions. Some of them seem like they're off the wall, but if it occurs to one of these mock jurors, it might occur to a real juror. And that's the purpose of the courtroom. It's for focus groups and mock trials. We've done many of them, and I have to say that, well, we used to do it at the law school and at the courtroom downtown. We started doing it about 30 years ago, and we've been doing it ever since.
Wow. Well, it does serve a good purpose, and that's great.